Jacob where he wanted to go. Driving for you ain't as boring as I thought it would be.
Jacob is a good man. Watching good drive with Jacob would not be boring. Thank you, cousin. To help your cousin with the family business.
I thought all I'd been doing since I got here was helping you out.
You have, but I mean officially. I need more drivers for the cab company. I'll pay you properly.
Okay then.
Just call me whenever you want to take a fare. You can do as many as you like.